I have a question for you. In Japan, there are certain things you are traditionally not to do. On January 1st, which one do you think it is? A. Gambling. B. Eating raw fish. Or C. Cleaning. Write your answer in the comments. I'll reveal the correct answer at the end of this video, so make sure to watch until the end of this video. Yahoo! みんな元気? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are exploring the do's and don'ts of the Japanese New Year. We'll talk about Oosouji, or year-end cleaning, and some fascinating culture taboos related to end and beginning of the year in Japan. Stay tuned to learn some useful Japanese phrases too. Let's get started. First, let's talk about Oosouji, big cleaning tradition in Japan. Why do we do Oosouji? To cleanse your living space and welcome the New Year's god, Toshigami-sama. It is believed that Toshigami-sama brings good fortune, but they only visit clean homes. So that's why you should clean your room before the new year. What is Toshigami-sama? Toshigami-sama is a deity in Japanese culture, believed to bring blessings and good fortune for the upcoming year. In Japanese Shinto traditions, this deity is said to visit each household at the start of the new year. The customs surrounding New Year preparations are meant to purify the home and create a welcoming environment for Toshigami-sama. It is believed that if the home is clean and sacred, the god will bring prosperity, health, and happiness to the family for the year ahead. The tradition of welcoming Toshigami-sama emphasizes the importance of starting the year with a fresh, pure spirit, free of impurities. These customs, such as cleaning the house, Oosouji, putting up New Year's decorations, and offering sacred foods like kagami mochi, are all practices meant to honor and make the god feel welcome in the home. Okay, so when do we do Oosouji? Oosouji usually happens in the last 2 weeks of December, especially before December 31st. December 28th and 29th is considered ideal. Cleaning too close to New Year's Eve is seen as rushing, which might carry bad luck into the next year. December 31st is too late. The focus should be on preparing Toshikoshi. Let's look at some things Japanese people avoid doing at the end of the year. First, no big purchases. 大きな買い物をしない。It's considered bad luck to make big purchases like furniture or cars. Why? Because starting the new year with debt is believed to invite financial struggles. Second, don't leave clutter or trash. ゴミをそのままにしない。If you leave clutter, it's believed to block the flow of good fortune. Many people also avoid leaving trash uncollected, as it symbolizes holding on to bad energy. Third, avoid skipping 大掃除。大掃除をしないのは NG. Failing to clean is not just a missed task. It's seen as disrespectful to 年神様。大きな買い物をしない。ゴミをそのままにしない。大掃除をしないのはダメ。 ing. Now, let's review the correct answer. The New Year, 正月, is sacred time in Japan, and there are some taboos you should be aware of. Don't clean or take out trash on January 1st. So, correct answer is C, cleaning. So why? Cleaning on January 1st is believed to sweep away good fortune and blessings. Trash should be taken out before December 31st, as most garbage collection services stop during the New Year holidays. Second, avoid arguments and complaints. The way you start the year is believed to the rest of it. Starting with negativity can set the tone for a difficult year. Third, don't use knives and scissors. Using sharp objects is thought to cut ties with good fortune or relationships. 4. Don't work. 正月 is meant for rest and spending time with the family. So working during this time is seen as disrespectful to the holiday spirit. 5. Avoid lending or borrowing money. Lending or borrowing money at the start of the year is believed to lead to financial struggles. Don't clean or take out trash on January 1st. Avoid arguments and complaints. Don't use knives and scissors. Don't work. And avoid lending or borrowing money. So I think don't use sharp object and don't work is difficult for many people follow these days. I'm truly grateful to those who work even during the new year. Thank you so much as always. Okay, now let's talk about the New Year's decorations. These decorations play an important role in inviting Toshigami-sama into your home. I'll introduce these decorations. First, kadomatsu, pine and bamboo decorations. When do you prepare? Between December 13th to 28th. The reason why to mark the house for Toshigami-sama's visit. Next, 締め飾り or 締め縄 sacred robe decorations. You should prepare by December 28th. The reason why to purify the space and word of evil spirit. And last one, 鏡餅 rice cake. When do you prepare? By December 28th to offer prosperity and invite Toshigami-sama. Okay, now here are some phrases you can use when talking about cleaning or Oosouji. Let's do our best with the big cleaning this year. The correct sentence. 今年も大掃除を頑張ろう。今年も大掃除を頑張ろう。I'll make windows sparkle at the end of the year. Okay. 年末に窓をピカピカにします。年末に窓をピカピカにします。Okay, next. If you don't clean, your luck might get worse. Okay. The answer is 掃除しないと運が悪くなるかも。掃除しないと運が悪くなるかも。Okay. Next. It's not good to clean on January 1st. Okay, the correct answer is 元旦に掃除をするのは良くないよ。元旦に掃除をするのは良くないよ。元旦 means January 1st. Were you correct? イェーイ Well done! よくできました。That's everything you needed to know about year-end cleaning, taboos around cleaning during the new year. What traditions do you follow at the end or beginning of the year in your country? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more insights into Japanese culture and language. If you learn more, please also check these videos. Thank you for watching until the end. 最後まで見てくれてありがとう。大掃除、一緒に頑張ろうね。See you next video. じゃあまたね。バイ。